Hi, in this video we will learn about decision making using switch statement. A switch statement allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of given values. The syntax of a switch statement is: first we write the switch keyword, after that we write any value that we want to test against. Inside the braces we write the number of cases we want to test. For example, case is the keyword, value 1 is the value which you want to check if it is equal to the any value. When this is equal, then after this colons we write the response when value 1 is equal to the given value. If this is not equal, then in the second case we want to write the second value we want to test against. And in the default case we write the statement that if any of the cases are not equal to the given value, then the default will be executed. Now let us see a practical implementation of switch. To use switch in your program, first we'll write a variable x equals to 5, or you can write any variable of your choice. After that we'll write the switch keyword followed by the variable which you want to compare against a set of values. This is x. Inside the curly braces we'll write all the cases that are possible. First we'll write case 1. If x is 1, then this will be executed. So inside case 1 we have written print I am 1. Similarly for case 2, if x is 2, this will be executed. And similarly for case 5, if x is 5, then this will be executed. So currently we have the value of x as 5. So 5 is equal to 5. So case 5 will be executed. It will print I am 5. Currently it is printing I am 5. If you make the x as 2, then it will print I am 2. If you make the x as 8, then none of this is satisfied. So it will print the default, which is I am none of above. This is how we can use switch decision making in Swift language. Thank you.